Hello lovers of custom venture, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be putting on a video on how to cut a dress with triple ties. Follow me as we go. Okay, and I'll be working with the length, the half length of 8 inches plus sewing allowance. I will have 9. So I mark my 9 inches, my 9 inches. I connect it. Okay. Then I'll be working with the shoulder, 9 inches. 9 inches divided by 2, we have 4.5 plus sewing allowance, we have 5 inches. Okay, then we have the armhole to be, make it 4 inches because it's a baby. The nipple point is 5. Okay, so I'll be marking the armhole here, okay. The arm is going to be somewhere here like this, and then I'll be working with the bust. 13 divided by 2, we have 6.5. 6.5 plus sewing allowance, we have 7. Okay, and then the half length, the waist, be working with the 13 plus half, which is 7. I will be adding that to it. We have 7. Okay, we have it as 7.5. Okay, now let's cut our armhole cuff. Our armhole cuff goes this way. Okay, then the bust measurement I say is 13. I'll be working with this 7. Connect it together here. This one, there's going to be that, and that is why it's coming out a bit more here, so we connect it together. And then I'll be working with the neck line to be 1/3 because it's still going to be turned in, so that it's not too wide. And then the depth of 2 inches, because by the time it's turning it becomes wider. Okay, so I mark cuff, make a cuff. I know the shoulder measurement, of course, is slanting. I make it 1/2 inches. I mark it, connect it. Okay, yes, I secure my fabric with pins so that it doesn't shake. I can get the cutting accurately. Okay, let's go cutting it. Okay, let me notch my where my dart will be. So my dart this way, fold this halfway, notch it so that when you are sewing, be able to see where the dart is. Okay, so the next thing I will use this to sew, to cut the back panel of it. Okay, I just placed the front panel I cut on it, but I'm not going to place it exactly as it is because there's going to be zipper allowance there, so I'm leaving 1 inch for zipper allowance here. 1 inches. That's just going to be the difference. So the next thing I trace, cut it out. Okay, so the cutting of the back panel is going to be just 1 inch depth, unlike the front that is 2 inches. So this one is going to be 1 inch depth. Okay. Then our shoulder still slant the same way. Then and our dart is still the same place. We are going to cut our dart. So we have to be, and there is zipper allowance, so we're going to pierce this one through. That's that about the half length of. Okay, I'll be using this for the lower side of the cloth. The total length I need is 16, and then we are taking 8 inches for the upper part, so we'll be needing about 8 inches for the lower part. 8 inches plus the sewing allowance. I'll be adding 1.5 to it, so I will need 10 inches. Okay, so I have 10 inches here, and I'm going to be a gather stitch. I'm going to put it. So of course I'll be needing about 24, the length 24. Okay, so I need 24 inches for the length that I'm going to gather. Okay, 24. Collect my line together. So I want my other stitch to come out this way. Okay, and then now comes the tie I want to insert in it. I said we're going to have a triple tie. It's going to be triple tie, so we need this one to also mix with it. Okay, how with our triple tie come? We have our triple tie this way. Okay, follow me as we go. Okay, here comes the way we are going to sew the tie. The whole length of the half length is about 8 inches, and we want to share 3 ties there. So the first one we're going to have will be the length 5 inches with the sewing allowance that we're going to use to turn it, the one we're going to use to turn. Okay, so we have 5 inches length. Then the wideness of the tip will be 1 inch, while the wideness of the down part will be 1.5. So we connect our 1 inch together. We'll be having something like this. Let me secure it with my pin. Okay. This our tie is going to be like. So we double this. We cut this with it also. We double it, and we're going to arrange it. Follow me. Okay, these are the ties that are going to come out. These are the be arranged on it. Follow me as we go to the machine. Thanks for watching.